On May 25th, OPPO will unveil the Reno 16 series of smartphones in China. The lineup will comprise of two models, such as the Reno 16 and 16 Pro. OPPO is fully unveiling the Reno 16 and Reno 16 Pro in China on May 25th, and ahead of that someone has managed to shoot a short video showing both devices side by side. Reno 16 will be offered in Heartbeat, Moonlit Black, and Galaxy Purple shades. OPPO is also set to introduce a new accessory for the Reno 16 series called the Bubble. The accessory appears to attach to the back of the phone and features a circular display. This rear-facing screen is likely to function as a viewfinder, allowing users to frame selfies using the main rear cameras. The standard Reno 16 is expected to feature a compact 6.32-inch OLED display with 1.5K resolution. The Reno 16 series with a triple rear camera system led by a 200-megapixel Samsung HP5 main sensor include a 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera and a 50-megapixel periscope telephoto lens for zoom photography. Reno 16 run on the MediaTek Dimensity 8550 chipset, delivering a considerable performance boost over older generations. Reno 16 packs a 6,700 mAh battery, support 80W wired fast charging. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.